For over 75 years, Porsche has done everything. When the world said the engine belongs in the front, they put it in the back. When critics said it was a widowmaker, they made it a legend. This is the story of how an engineering mistake became the most iconic car in history. To understand why the 911 shouldn't work, you have to look at the rear axle in a normal car. The engine is a stabilizer in a Porsche. The engine is a 75-year afterthought. It sits behind the rear wheels. It's like trying to run while holding a bowling ball behind your back. This creates a massive amount of rear inertia, a pendulum effect that is constantly trying to pull the car off the road. Physics is a brutal judge. If you lift off the throttle in a high-speed corner, the back end wants to become the front. It doesn't just turn, it swings. But Porsche didn't just use any engine. They used a Flat-Six because the cylinders lay flat. The center of gravity is incredibly low. This is the first secret. It counteracts the wrong placement. By keeping the weight as close to the asphalt as possible, it's the only reason the car stays planted, while physics is trying to tear it off the road. But look at the tires, because that heavy engine is sitting directly over the rear wheels. It pushes them into the ground with incredible force, while a front-engine car is struggling to find grip. The 911 is already gone. It turns its greatest flaw into its greatest weapon: extreme traction. So, was it a mistake, or was it a challenge 75 years later? The engine is still in the wrong place, and yet, no one else is even close. Sometimes, the only way to win is to refuse to follow the rules.